Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I want to share with you a huge Scentsy haul. Oh my gosh. So I had a party at my house, and that way everyone can get their 10% off, you know, because like it's about to be done, this fall winter catalogs, because we're getting our new catalog February 1st. We're getting our spring summer. So I wanted everyone to load up on stuff and get their 10% off. So you guys ready to dive in? Okay, so I'm gonna go with pods first. Oh my God, there's so much stuff. Okay, so we got, and this is all for customers. And then I got business supplies. We got, oh, actually, there should be 2 of these. I could have sworn I bought 2. Here's more pods. So there is a guy on TikTok and Instagram. There's got to be more in here. And he has autism and he loves Disney. Like, he loves Disney so much, and he collects things. And so everybody's been sending him stuff, and I wanted to buy him our 2 wall fan diffusers, and I thought I had bought 2 packs of the pods. So we'll see. It's the Disney Princess True Love Awaits. So I'm going to send that to him as a gift. And with my rewards, I was able to get them like free. So, you know, I just have to pay shipping, but I don't even care. I love to give. So this is pumpkin roll. Somebody ordered some pumpkin roll. We have Polar Bear Hug, otherwise known as Eskimo Kiss. That's the old name for it. Newborn Nursery, Luna, and Baked Apple Pie. I am gonna run out of room on this table, that is for sure. And then someone also ordered the Slate mini fan diffuser. So that's that. All right, and then we had somebody order, oh, here's the other one. Okay, here's the other pack of these. And his name is Isaac. He's so sweet. He goes live on TikTok, and he'll read Disney books. He's absolutely adorable. He's probably in his like early 20s. He's such a sweetheart. And then we also got a vanilla bean buttercream. And then someone ordered hibiscus pineapple hand soap. And also hibiscus pineapple fragrance mist. That's that. I got a ton of bars. They ordered a lot of bars. Okay. Then I grabbed another set of transition testers. I grabbed another product training guide. Look how beautiful. So pretty. And then here we go. So I grabbed these for him. I'm not going to open them because these are actually hard to get back in the box to look nice. So I'm not going to open them, but they're basically a wall fan diffuser, and it looks like a little castle. This one is blue. Or is it pink? I can't remember. Let me see. I'm not going to take it all the way out unless it's easy. Let's check it out. I don't want to ruin the box. This one is blue. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay. So here is that's the lid. Oh, do I really want to take this one out? Let's see, if I'm gentle, I might be able to get it out. Yeah. Okay. So here it is, and he's gonna love this. I wish Snow White was on it because that's his favorite, but it has Ariel, it has Belle, it has Cinderella, and then the top is like a little castle part that goes on the top. So that's that. Let me see if I can get this back in nice. I'm not going to open the other one. The other one is lavender, and it has different princesses on it. So I'll share the princesses with you. Let's see. So that, okay, I got that back in nice. Okay. So that's one I'm going to send. And the next one has Princess Tiana, Mulan, and Rapunzel. So I'm so excited to send those to him. I'm going to get those out first thing tomorrow. I have his P.O. box. I was going to send it via Scentsy, but they don't deliver to P.O. boxes. So I have to do it myself, which is fine. I don't care. Right, then I got a thing of catalogs. 2 things of catalogs. Okay. Ooh, these are heavy. No wonder this box was so heavy. It's the catalogs. Well, and the bars. We got a ton of bars. Okay, so 2 packs of catalogs. And then 2 room sprays that are sun ripened berry, which, oh my gosh, that is the scent of the month, and it is amazing. If you haven't tried it, let me know. I'll send you a sample. Okay, and then I got some scent circles, sun ripened berries. I believe it was the same person that ordered these as the room sprays. So I gotta get all the orders together probably tomorrow because I'm heading to work in a minute. So, okay. Then, oh, this is a tabletop base for a glass nightlight warmer, the mini warmers. And then, ooh, I've never even seen this one in person. Okay. The Vino Warmer, and that's what it looks like. It looks like brown, like wicker. Really pretty. So we got a Vino Warmer. Let's see what else. Oh my gosh, we have so many bars. A hibiscus pineapple body wash. Looks like they got the whole bundle. Then we have the Sage Advice, which I have in my room, and I love this warmer, mini warmer, and that's the one that's going on the tabletop base. So I got to go through and see whose that is. All right, so now I had to use the box that all the bars came in to prop up my my ring light. So I just kind of dumped them in here, but we're going to go through them quickly, okay? So we got some shimmer and boho. You guys, sun-ripened strawberry or berry. More sun-ripened berry. Blue raspberry. Oh my gosh. Simply vanilla. So good. Sun-kissed citrus. Couple blue grotto. Winterberry apple tea. Grape granita. Black raspberry vanilla. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna run out of room here. Cherry almond pie. I think that was mine. I got myself a few things too because I had so much. It was like the $800 order, so I got a lot of stuff free and half price. Sun ripened berry. Cherry almond pie, which I didn't like this one in the beginning, but I've been warming it and I'm obsessed. Definitely going in my club. Love it. Okay. What else? Salted caramel toffee. Squeeze the day. Oh my gosh, there's so many bars. Sun ripened berry. Another blue grotto. Salted caramel toffee. Another simply vanilla. What is this one? Hug in a mug. That's a good one. Coconut lemongrass. By the sea. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got so much. Holy moly. Sun-kissed citrus. Polar bear hugs. Oh my gosh. Pink haze. Taylor, mom's doing a video. You gotta wait, okay? Be there in a minute. Squeeze the day. Another squeeze the day. A vanilla mint, which is one of my favorite holiday scents. I love this one for winter. So good. And then there goes Ryan is doing a drive-by. We got more blue grotto. Sugar, which is amazing. I love sugar. Another sun-kissed citrus. These are for customers, okay? Yeah. No, Taylor. No, that's not for you, okay?
That's not for me.
No, that's not for you. Almond croissant. And another grape granita. She's gonna start. Simply Vanilla. Taylor has autism. Be a good girl, okay? I'm doing a video right now. Like, the people are seeing you get ready to act up. Yeah, don't do that, okay? A vanilla mint, cherry almond pie, and a graham cracker crunch, which is so yummy. Taylor, what's your favorite scent?
Oh, I don't know.
Yes, you do. Salted caramel toffee. Mom has to bag up Scentsy orders. Remember we had our party? Do you remember?
Yeah.
When we had cookies? Coconut cotton, that's mine. I know that's mine. Salted caramel toffee. Another salted caramel toffee. And another shimmer. Cinnamon bear. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's still a ton left in here. Okay. Another vanilla mint. Another boho. Let's see what else they ordered. Ambrosia, that's a good one. Pumpkin cinnamon swirls. Pink haze. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Sugar. Coconut cotton. Another pink haze. I'm telling you, it was a good party. It was a really good party. I had a lot of online orders as well, which was great. So if you're a Scentsy consultant, make sure you have that open party going so people can order from it. A couple more coconut cotton. Bananarama. Squeeze the day, more squeeze the day. Oh my gosh, we're getting down to the nitty gritty here, you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. And oh boy. Another sun-kissed citrus. Another coconut lemongrass. Let's see. Another coconut cotton. A mandarin moon. I'm almost done. A bubble gum. And a sugar. And a blueberry rush. So that's everything. We got a ton of stuff. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to deliver everybody's scents because they were excited to smell everything. So I'm excited to deliver it. That's actually my favorite part of everything, is seeing people get excited when they get their stuff. Anyways, I hope you like my video. Thank you for being patient. Please like and subscribe. Follow me everywhere. Let's be friends. And I will talk to you later. Bye.